4. The key wouldn't twist the ignition anymore. Might be a bad key because I don't know if you could see it, but this key is pretty worn out. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try and make a spare metal key. If it doesn't give us what we need, we're gonna go to replace the ignition. That's either a bad ignition or either a bad key. Let's hope. Let's see if we're actually there. Seems about right. That's it. Maybe it's a bad key. Okay. Yeah, bad key. This one would twist. This one would break before it would twist. Even when it's all the way in. Okay, so I'll let her know that it's not a bad ignition, which is a good news, but it is a bad key. 4 buttons, and this is a 5 buttons. Do we have a 4 buttons in the house? That's a 4 button. Ford. We have the old key if we're gonna need it, but we're not gonna need it. Let's hit read. Let's turn off this. Okay. Late key. Con. Yes, con. Now we're gonna wait 3 to 10 minutes. This one weren't necessary. Learn key 2, 3, 2. Learning fail. Yes, please. Oh, nope. Good. Does it start? Does start.